Hi, this is Jill from BoomerTech Adventures, and in this short video, we're going to go over how to close or clear your browsing history on your iPhone or your iPad. So the first thing you have to do is open the Chrome app, and you can see the arrow pointing to the icon. When you open it, you're going to look for three dots. They may be at the bottom as they are on my iPhone, or they may be at the top. Three dots always means more information. When you tap on the three dots, this screen or something similar will appear. And notice that history is right smack dab in the middle of the screen. However, what I want you to do is scroll up so you can see both history and delete browsing data. What do we mean by those two terms? History equals the chronological list of websites you visited. Your browsing data is much more inclusive, and you can see not only does it include your history, but also the cookies, the little electronic signals that computers talk to one another with, cached images and files, things that have been saved, saved passwords, autofill data, site settings. So you need to make a decision. Do you just want to clear the list of websites you visited, or do you want to clear your entire browsing data? Let's look at history first. When you tap on the history icon, you will see a screen again similar to this. Notice at the bottom in red, you can delete your browsing data, which means everything will be gone, or over on the right, you can click on or tap on Edit. When you tap on Edit, you get to choose which sites you wish to delete. So in this case, I have selected an untitled design, and if that's all I want to delete, then I would then tap on the red word Delete. Now, back to that screen with Delete Browsing Data. When I tap on that, again, I have some choices. The first choice up at the top where the arrow is pointing is how long do I want to delete the browsing data for? In this case, I've got it set for 4 weeks. Again, you want to check that and make your decision. And when you're ready, you tap on the red button that says Delete Data. If you're on an iPad, it's basically the same process. You look for the three dots. In this case, on my iPad, they're at the top. And when I tap on them, you see I've got the choice of history or delete browsing data, or both. It's up to you. So that's how you clear what you've been doing in your Chrome app on your iPad and your iPhone.